It is the Razer Specs version 2 gaming mouse pad. And here's why I like it. Let's zoom in. Hold on, let's do some like Inception sounds for zooming in here. Are you ready? Look how thin this mouse pad is. I'm gonna try, look how thin it is. This is on the edge of my desk right here. Do you see how thin this mouse pad is? It is like 1 nano. It's like 1 atom thick. It is just a sheet of atomic matter. That is it. Like, you can't even see it. Does this mouse even exist on the 3D plane of existence? Or does it literally only exist in 2 dimensions? Do you see how flat it is? That's why I have it. I like extremely flat mouse pad that's just on top of my desk, has a great grip. I can't run my hand into it. It doesn't have a little lip or edge or my hand runs over. It doesn't come up off the desk. It is just insanely thin and super, super premium. And that's why I love this mouse pad. It exists only in 2 dimensions of reality. So I've got 2 of these. I've actually got one there, and I've got a mouse matching one right over here for this mouse. And as you can see, this one also only exists in 2 dimensions of reality. It is so thin, it is only 2-dimensional. And if you want, and I've moved it twice, if you want to, as you can see, you can peel off the edge of the mouse pad. I don't want to do it too much, but you can peel off the entire thing and you can move it to a new location. So I moved from my other house to this one into a new studio, and I took both of these and it sticks to the desk. I took both of these sticky mouse pads and moved them over to my new studio. I effing love this mouse pad. Like I said earlier, I only recommend gear that I use. So this is the big version that I'm showing you right here. And you see the little tag on the side, the Razer tag? You can actually pull that tag up and peel the mouse pad off of your desk. It's a MSI laptop, which I recommend. And I've used this series of laptop before, and these are the specs that you need, the laptop I just dropped, okay, to do 4K video editing. It's got the i7 processor, 64 gigabytes of RAM, which you will need all 64 gigabytes to edit 2K video. It's got 2 terabyte hard drive SSD, so you can push those fat 4K video files. And most importantly here, bro, you see this? RTX 3070 Max-Q graphics processor with 8 gig of RAM or 8 gig of video RAM on board. You probably aren't going to find a better laptop to edit 4K video than this for the money. This particular laptop, I just linked it in chat, has 64 gig of RAM, a 2 terabyte SSD, a 3070 graphics card on board. And I don't think that this is one of the best deals I've ever seen on a computer. Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.